Hey guys, so if you're having some issues with the humidity in your AMS for your filament, there might be an easy fix for you, so let me actually show that. First thing first, you need to open this top cover. If you have it closed here, then just make sure that you open these ceilings, then pull it out. And then you don't really need to take out like the filament strings, but you need to take out the filament rolls. So I'm gonna put those aside here so that later we can put them back. And as you can see here, we have an opening and we still have a couple of the balls here rolling around. You can open it with just your finger, that's enough. And that's the place where you need to put a special stuff which actually grabs all the humidity from this apartment, right? So that it doesn't get on the filament itself. And there are multiple things that you can purchase. You can purchase like the ready pre-filled bags with the same stuff that it just comes in a bag and then you put it there inside. But that stuff costs like $20 a piece or something like that, while the self cost is like $2. Or you can just purchase in AliExpress. I'm gonna drop a link in the comments and in the description. These balls itself, they're without a bag, but you just pour them in, and then after some months when it's time to replace them, you can just vacuum that stuff inside and put a new dose of that stuff. So when that is done, just close this again. Make sure to put your filament rolls back into place like this, and this one like that. So there we go. That's an easy maintenance for your 3D printer, just to make sure that there is no extra humidity for the filament.